Okay, ladies and gentlemen, if you are watching this video, you probably have some questions or just unsure of how to make a submission for an assignment on Schoology. So I wanted to put together some tips and tricks to help you out along the way. As you can see, Dr. McCann has been kind enough to add me to one of her Schoology courses. And in this folder here, she has 2 assignments submitted. So we're going to walk through them and show you a couple of different things to look out for. So if I click into this first assignment, this is more of a traditional assignment. There's no document linked up here. Okay, there might be a video or a rubric or even a Google Doc that your teacher might have want you to make a copy of. That is sort of up in the air. But as far as making your submissions, and you can see I was playing around with a couple different things already. You're going to originally just see a submit assignment box over here. When you click that open, you have a couple different options. Okay, so let's first look into the upload category. If I click this button, this is going to pull something from the files on your computer. So I might just go, here's a screencast I was working on last week for my physics class. Okay, screenshot, that's just a picture. I can open that and I can submit it. At the same time, I can look on that second tab, which is create, and this is where you could type something up. I generally don't recommend using this because we can use things like Google Docs just to collaborate more. It's a lot easier, but I could still, here is a sample submission. Whoops. Submit. Okay. I can likewise go to this third tab. This is where it can get a little muddier, okay? You have resources from your own Schoology page, okay? Whether you're in different groups. Generally, you're going to go straight down to the apps here. And within these apps, you're going to be looking for your Google Drive. Now, let's say that I was working on this Google Slides, which you can see I've named sample project. Be sure to name your documents. It's going to make it a lot easier when you go to find them in your Google Drive. Because now I can come back here and I can see, oh, there it is. Now I don't want to click this link here because that's just going to open it up in another tab, or in this case, another window you can see. I want to check this box here. And I want to go up here, click import, import file. That is going to load up. And now I have effectively flooded Dr. McCann with all of these submissions. And that's going to cover it for this first type. So going back to our assignment page, I'm going to go into the second one. And as you can see, Dr. McCann has linked a Google Doc. So it looks a little bit different here. Now I want to, on my assignment tab, I can see again, any sort of rubric or information about what I'm going to need to do the assignment. And I can click this My Document tab. All right. When you're here, you want to be sure that you're logged into your school account for both Schoology and your Google Drive. That way they can communicate with each other. If this is not loading up here, you will see a button up top here where you can click and it'll open up. Oh, now, of course, it's giving me that message to make sure that I have connected. Allow. Sometimes you might need to refresh. Okay. So, again, sometimes we have issues on our end too. It's all good. Nothing, a little refresh should never hurt anyone. But now I can edit this document right here. I can click this edit button, open it in another tab. This is also, once you click My Document, it's going to add it into your own Google Drive. So I could go back to my Google Drive. I can edit it from there. Okay. When I am ready to submit it, the button is right here next to the edit button. Click Submit Assignment. Are you sure? Do you think that you have a little bit more work to do? You want to click Never Mind? Not quite yet. Yes, I am ready to submit this. Okay, and it's going to give you a notification, let you know. Now, One issue I see a lot of my students doing after they make a submission, they think, oh man, I really want to change this. And they go in and they start typing. Okay, if you start typing on a submitted document, it's going to default to making a comment. So as long as you have not reached the due date yet, you can go back up in that right-hand corner, click unsubmit, and as long as it loads, you're going to be able to go back and edit that document as you were before. Okay, just remember, if you're going to do that, to make sure that you submit your document when everything is all said and done. So I hope this was a big help. If you have any other questions, please reach out to me. I hope everyone is doing well and staying healthy, and I hope to see you all soon.